My topic is lathe machine. This is the block diagram of a lathe machine. What is lathe machine? A lathe machine is a versatile machine tool which hold the workpiece on a 3-jaw chuck, 4-jaw chuck, and tool is mounted on a tool post. The designing of the lathe machine and manufacturing was made by the H. Mansley Britishers in 18th century. The different type of operation can be performed by the lathe machine like a facing, chamfering, threading, drilling, learning, boring, polishing, finishing, etc. So this lathe machine is also called the mother of all the machines. Different type of the machine in shape and size are available in the market. So all the machines work on a same working principle of the machine. What is the working principle of lathe machine? The workpiece is firmly tied on a 3-jaw chuck or 4-jaw chuck. The work is moved at a different speed like this in a anti-clockwise direction. Tool is fed against the rotating workpiece and parallel to the axis of the workpiece, and metal is removed in the form of the chips like this. So this machine is work on a working principle. This is the working principle of the lathe machine. Different type of the lathe machine in shape and size are available in the market. The types of machine. Types of lathe machine. Number 1 is bench lathe machine. The machine is mounted on a bench, so it is called the bench lathe machine. The bench lathe machine has a bed length 250 mm to 350 mm. The bench lathe machine are generally work on it to make the very small parts and also finishing and polishing purpose. Second number is high speed lathe machine. This machine is work on a 4000 to 5000 RPM. This machine is working on a 4000 to 5000 RPM. This machine is generally used for the carpentry shop, spinning purpose, polishing purpose, and also make the household utensils, etc. Or high speed lathe machine is also used for the mass production. Number 3 is central lathe machine or tool room lathe machine. This is the central lathe machine. The lathe machine are generally used for the tool room and also used for the mass production. The lathe machine have the bed length 6 feet, 8 feet up to the 10 feet. The 10 feet lathe machine are generally used for the heavy work. Or 8 feet bed length lathe machine is also used for the heavy work. 6 feet bed length are generally used for the medium or light work, in a tool room. The strength of the lathe machine are generally depends upon the lead screw 3 mm, 2 mm. 3 mm, 2 mm means 1 inch have a 2 thread, 1 inch have a 3 thread. So it means that 2 thread per inch length on a lead screw used for the heavy work. 4 is automatic lathe machine. The automatic lathe machine is generally work on some electronics, other based on electronic devices, and to get the high grade accuracy. On the automatic lathe machine you will get the 0.025 mm accuracy can be get by the automatic lathe machine. Number 5 is Capstone and turn lathe machine. Capstone and turn lathe machine. The Capstone and turn lathe machine are generally used for the mass production. On this machine, the number of cutting tools can be mounted in a one time. 6 tools are mounted on a tool post in a one time. If you want to perform the drill, so drill are used to perform the drill. Taping, if you want to cut the tape in inside, so the tape are used, and you will use for the increasing the inside diameter, so the inner cutting angle are also used. So the capstone lathe are also used for the mass production. 6 number is CNC lathe machine. So nowadays CNC lathe machine are generally work on this machine. CNC lathe machine are basically work on a computerized or programming system. The CNC machine are generally used, all the companies, mostly companies are use the CNC lathe machine to get the high grade accuracy. To get high accuracy, it means that to 0.002 mm, 0.0025 mm accuracy can be get by the CNC machine. CNC machines are generally used for the mass production and also get the high grade accuracy. These are machines are used for the industries, tool rooms, and engineering works. So I think you will like my lecture. Thank you very much.